man, what's your name?
My name is Andrew.
Andrew, huh?
Yeah, what's your name?
Min.
Ben?
Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from here, Nebraska.
Nebraska?
But I'm first generation Vietnamese.
All right.
Yeah.
So where you bring the 240 from Nebraska to?
No, it's coming from North Carolina.
North Carolina. Oh man, look at this. So it's not running, huh?
Yeah, no, it's not.
Yeah, North Carolina. Look at that.
Yeah, unload it.
And we unload it. See what we can do today, guys. Oh man, like a wide body or something on the front. Flare it out. Flare it all out. Yeah, man. This is S15 front end, and the S13 on the rear. S13 hatchback on the rear and the S15 on front. Yeah.
So I crank it up on Saturday.
Oh, don't touch that. Oh man, look at this true race car in here, guys. True race car. True race car. Let's open the hood to see. Man, I bet it's under the hood, very aggressive. Yeah, let's see. Man, really nice, sexy guys, sexy. What's the motor underneath that?
It's the SR20.
SR20 DET.
Yep.
What size of turbo, you know?
I think it's a stock turbo.
Stock turbo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's on 20 pounds of boost.
20-pound boost. Is
No,
it
not 20, 15.
15? Is E85 or pump gas?
Nah, just 93.
93 pump gas, guys. Yep, let's lower it down. So how you heard from us?
Honestly, I hopped on Google. Because
Oh really?
yeah, I try to find tuners specifically.
Oh.
I'm not gonna have people, you know, that regular shop deal with Haltech, and they're not gonna do that. I'm trying to find a shop that is actually.
But Google don't tell you that we tuning or dyno.
It does actually.
It does?
Yeah, it does.
Really?
It says you guys are
Wow.
performance tuners from your guys' reviews.
Oh.
Like I went and checked your social media, and I seen that like you guys actually do dynos. Got to do a little work.
You check my YouTube channel?
Yeah, the channel. I seen it. Yeah.
All right. So you so straight from North Carolina to here?
Not straight. I drove to Indiana first.
Oh, and then go here.
Yeah, I drove to Indianapolis because I got a job as an Indy USF 2000 champion pro series mechanic.
So first generation of American Vietnamese, huh? That's why I don't know what generation I am. Any second? Yep. Slow it down.
Put the wires.
Under the hood, guys. Look at this under the hood.
Pull it out. Pull a wire out. So we're trying to repair it on the spot.
Look at that.
It's still stock bottom and everything?
SR20.
Crank is stock, but everything else.
SR20, guys.
Pistons, eagle rods, tow-made pond cam,
Turbo on this side right there.
BC springs and lifters.
Man, I haven't seen SR20 for a long time. Maybe 10 or 15 years. So now, we got a chance to do it. Yeah. All I miss is RB, 2JG, and now SR20. Yeah, let's see.
I don't go too. I've rocked like 20, but like I need to start worrying about reliability because I can't keep breaking down. You know.
You race?
I drift.
You drift.
Sometime, a little bit, trying to learn. But nah, the previous shop that I took this to in North Carolina, I'm not gonna name drop, but they're not I paid a lot of money. I paid maybe.
What dyno they use?
I don't.
Look around the car. How a dyno jet. Look at that. Oh man. Hopefully this motor is healthy for us to do, guys. Hopefully, because we don't know that the motor been beat up or not. So I don't know if he know about his motor yet. So I have to ask him and see what happened. See how many boosts that we have to run. Whew. Love it. Yeah, look at that. Christian acting. Maybe he like this kind of car. Yeah. What do you think about Christian? What do you think? I gotta sit in it. This whole hard tech, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Sit in it. We push it down, guys. Push it down. See it touch anything. Oh man. Let's see. Push it. Oh, you good?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. Go down. Yeah. Let's push it in.
Put the back. Turn the back. Go.
Oh man, push it.
That way, that
Okay, hold on. It's safe here, guys.
Because when I got running,
Oh man. Hopefully the motor is healthy for us to do some adjustment. Otherwise I'm gonna poop.
I hope so too.
Yeah. So we have to do compression checks, evap check, lick down check, all kind of stuff like that, guys.
But you drill
Oh.
a lot, so
Man,
Well, that's it.
this is welded diff,
So
so it's hard to push.
So
Woo!
I daily it.
Man,
So the last 2-3 months, or this entire last season, I haven't driven. So it's just been a daily car, no issues. And then Saturday, this past Saturday, I traveled to Indiana. Started off on the trailer, started fine. Struggled a little bit because of cold. And then
are you on an 85 or 91?
93 pump.
yeah. And then after that, Sunday come, I try and start it again because it's been on the trailer. I want to go drive around a little bit, and it don't stop.
So the Indy.
So
now
no
you
start.
Have the car done, you're gonna take the car to the Indy or you're gonna leave it here?
I'm hoping if you guys can get it fixed before I go back to Indiana, so I can take it.
Okay, so Indy, you got 93 or 91? Do they have a 91?
They have that anywhere.
But they don't have a 91?
I don't think so.
So you have to find 93 here. We told them.
It's hard to find a 93 here. Is it? Maybe, we don't know.
Do you have a flex fuel sensor?
I don't think so.
Because in the flex fuel sensor, actually we can do a 91 and then we can jump to a 93. So
I don't know. I don't think I have the flex fuel sensor, but my injectors are flex fuel no matter what. They're
Yeah, but the
750.
sensor, so that means you can run a lot of different gas.
Yeah. Let's start on it, guys. Okay, guys. Here we have it started already. Look at that. Yeah, it's a little bit misfire. Let's see. Start already. Let's see what that. Oh man. Look at that. Time for us to tune, guys. Time to tune. Look at that. Woo, man. Smoky. So we have to adjust something. See what happens. For a second, guys. It looks like the motor is nothing. Motor is nothing, isn't it? Yeah, motor nothing.
Oh yeah, you can hear it.
Huh? Yeah. It looked like knocking. Do all the wire to make it look nice. Okay, time to move out. Yep. Go ahead and drive it out, guys. Yeah. Time to move out. The M3 come back for a dyno, guys. Last time, now is the update to a single turbo. Let's see. Oh man, very sunny out. Look at that. Let's go in. Man, look nice. Woo! Okay, it's time to do a compression check, guys. Look at that. 170,
160.
60, 70, guys. So that's cylinder number 4. Yep. Okay, number 3. Sao mấy cái vậy? Sao không thêm cái? Yeah.
160.
160, same number. Okay, now it's number 3.
2.
Oh, number 2. Yep. 170, 180. Yep. Number 2 is good. So we'll go to number 1. Okay, number 1. Yep, good.
Number
180, more than 180. So 1, 2, and it's 180.
180, 2 is 170, 3 and 4 is 160.
Yep. So it's more, the compressor is good, but it make a lot of sound on the engine. Okay, let's start up.
Hold idle.
Okay, the car make a little sound like that, so we do just a little street tune. That's it. We don't go up to the dyno because that sounds scary. Now just do a little street tune and that's it. Little adjustment.
I got a ride for you right here.
Alright, now you're gonna probably do this little street adjustment. No more dyno pull, guys. No more dyno pull. That noise is very loud. Probably like vent valve or something. Okay, so time to go. I'll stay at the shop. Just a little bit. Very, very dirty. Okay. sticker too?
Sure, I'll put my sticker on.
Okay, stickers on. Phammotorsport, guy. Yeah. A little bit crooked down. It's okay.
When I was in high school.
System up. Drive home.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Okay. So Tori here and driving home. So everything is done. We just do a little street adjustment. That's it. And now he had to Hastings probably an hour and a half, and later he gonna go to back to Indiana or North Carolina, guys. Oh man, that sounds crazy, but he went up to 120 mile per hour, no problem at all. So Andrew Lee gonna. So this car built for drift, guys. We use daily driving. He used to daily driving. Man, he's driving aggressive. Look at that. Man, take it. Ở trong nó ngộ rồi. Nó camera. Man, we make it to Hastings, guys, without a problem. A new design shirt coming. Speed Edition, guy, in a turbo, and Phammotorsports is over here. Sports S is over here. Okay, Nate, wanna come get it? Yep, damn legend, guys. Woo, new edition. Very, very nice. Speed Edition, guy. Look at that. Sexy, sexy.